The server unreachable error on your SafeLink phone means it can't connect to SafeLink servers. This prevents app updates, account management, and data services. This is most often due to an issue with your phone's network connection, DNS settings, APN settings, or corrupted app cache. The error indicates a break in communication between your phone and SafeLink. First, your phone's connection to Verizon's cellular network. Weak signals or outages prevent server access. DNS settings that translate web addresses into IP addresses. Misconfigured DNS can fail, causing unreachability. APN settings that act as gateways for mobile data. Incorrect APN settings block server connections. And the SafeLink app's cached data. Corrupted cache can lead to errors. First, check your network connection. Ensure you have a strong signal. Weak signals due to location or outages can cause this error. If your signal is weak, try connecting to public Wi-Fi. Next, verify your APN settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced Access Point Names, and ensure your APN is set to Reseller with a blank username and password. If unsure, delete the current APN and create a new one with the correct info. Next, check your DNS settings. SafeLink recommends Verizon's DNS 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.11. You can change this in your Wi-Fi settings if connected to a network or in your mobile network settings. Lastly, clear the SafeLink app's cache by going to Settings, Apps, SafeLink, Storage, Clear Cache. This refreshes the app without losing data. After each step, restart your phone and check if the error is resolved. If problems persist, contact SafeLink support.